Okay, now we have entered to the monitoring part. So before we go there, we'll have a look at in our code. This is our application. So what basically this application does is calculate the electricity cost for the units that we are providing. So on the service class, I have defined the electricity slabs over here with their uh, rate. And on the first method, once I give the number of units, it will generate object contain monthly cost, average daily cost, and estimated yearly cost. And on the second method, I'll be returning the slabs that I have defined in here. So this this application output won't matter. We won't be using the output in a monitoring process. I just want to show that this is not a huge application that we are using, just a simple one. Okay, let's continue with the monitoring part. So first, we are going to get the process ID for our application. Okay, then we put them into the monitor command as p, then we monitor. Okay, now you seeing here is the default counter view. So like I said, you can see the CPU usage and the other metrics as well. Once you execute the methods, you can see the numbers are changing. So you can have the same output by defining the counter name over here. So after the count attribute, you're going to put the system.runtime. So you will be getting the same output. Okay, just like that. So if you don't need much of these counters, much of these metrics, you can define your counter with the metrics list that you want. So I'll be using the second counter that I've showed you earlier with the number of metrics. If you don't need all of them, you can omit one or two from this list. Right. Now we are seeing our second counter. Once the methods are executed, you will see the request rate is getting changed. The total request count is also getting changed. And so if you need multiple counters in your output, all you have to do is put them in a command separated way like this. I have entered the extra space here. So once we remove that, we'll be getting the output we are supposed to get. Okay, now we have both counters available in our output. So this data can be used for process our monitor our application.